Welcome, and thank you for applying for the electronic assembler position in our Cochlear Manufacturing team. Cochlear is a global market leader in implantable hearing solutions, with multiple manufacturing sites across Australia, China, Malaysia and Europe. We change people's lives with our products and are privileged to provide the gift of hearing to hundreds of thousands of recipients all around the world. We're transforming the way people understand and treat hearing loss, and reaching more people with products and services that support them throughout their entire lives. As a manufacturing team member, you will quickly realise the strong focus we place on our employees and the connection we have with our recipients. Let's now explore what it's like working for this market-leading global organisation. Firstly, we work across mainly morning and afternoon shifts, with a small night shift in some areas. We have teams across multiple sites, where each team is supporting each other, making sub-assemblies and parts of our products that will come together at final assemblies. As a medical device manufacturer, quality is at the heart of everything we do. This begins at the very start of your workday with our clean room gowning procedure and safety protocols. Keeping you and our customers safe is always our priority. We work in small, agile teams within the larger global organisation. This helps focus individual contribution and allows flexibility to deliver our team and company goals. We are passionate about the work we do and have a strong sense of community. Each individual brings their diverse experience and skills to help us realise our goals and meet targets. Our culture is collaborative. We support each other through problem solving and feedback, always striving to improve our processes and create efficiencies. Lean manufacturing provides a strong framework of systems and will guide your day-to-day activities. At Cochlear, you will have the opportunity to learn new procedures and develop in your career. Starting from simple cleaning and setting up of your workstation and microscope, all the way to high-performance automated technology and data analysis. Training and career progression are at the forefront of working at Cochlear. To support you in making our quality products, you will receive all the training you need, including using our microscopes. It is important that all employees progress their learning and understanding of our business quality requirements. To do this, we have a support group of friendly trainers, team leaders, and buddies who will help develop you across a range of skills and processes. There are also opportunities to extend your passion into many other areas of business. This is a brief insight into the life of a Cochlear manufacturing team member. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.